Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I wear sunglasses, I don't want to feel anything on my face. That's the first thing that stands out to me about these sunglasses I got from AEVOGUE. They're so lightweight but durable, and the pair that I got does have nose pads, but they don't pinch or make you feel uncomfortable, and they don't leave those really bad marks on your nose after you've been wearing them for a while. I got a semi-rimless frame, which has a really cute retro look to it. I got the clear pair with brown and blue lenses, and they're polarized. That's the next thing about them that I absolutely love. It makes it so nice when you're out driving because it really clarifies things, which makes me feel more comfortable about driving, but also just wearing them around in general. They're so cute. There are so many different types of frames and colors that you can choose from. I also got a black pair that looks amazing on my husband. Even though my husband and I have completely different face shapes, we can both wear these same style, same size frames, and they look good on both of us. You just can't go wrong with a pair of sunglasses from A&E. They are top of the line, and that's my point of view.